Welcome to our quick summary series. This is a quick fire summary video. For a longer, more detailed explanation, head over to reviseitright.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our 10 minutes a day daily revision, uploaded every day. And if you do enjoy this video, please give it a like. Other than using our own body's defences, we can use drugs to fight disease. Some drugs relieve symptoms, others cure the problem. Painkillers, such as aspirin, are drugs that relieve pain. They don't cure. They don't kill the disease or the pathogen, but help to reduce the symptoms. Other drugs do a similar thing, like cold remedies. They don't actually cure colds. Antibiotics work differently. They actually kill or prevent the growth of bacteria causing the disease without killing your own body cells. Different antibiotics kill different types of bacteria. Antibiotics do not destroy viruses. Remember, viruses reproduce inside your cells, so it's hard to create a drug that destroys them without harming your own cells. These have greatly reduced the number of deaths due to bacterial diseases. Many drugs originally came from plants. You need to learn these examples. Some plants have chemicals that can be used as drugs. Number 1, aspirin, which is a painkiller to lower levels of fever. It's developed from a chemical found in a willow tree. Digitalis, which is used to treat heart conditions, was developed from a chemical found in foxgloves. Others have been extracted from microorganisms, such as mold. For example, the story of Alexander Fleming is an interesting one. He was growing bacteria in a petri dish. He was a messy scientist that always left things lying around. He went on holiday. When he returned, he discovered one of his dishes had mold on it. He noticed the area around the mold was free of bacteria. This mold was producing a substance that killed bacteria. He called this penicillin. He discovered it by accident. Unfortunately, or I guess fortunately, it's not as simple as just discovering a drug and it being on the shelves. There are many stages that drugs must go through to be tested. Drugs must be tested extensively for toxicity, efficacy, and dose. Toxicity means how harmful it is. Efficacy means whether it works, i.e., it does what it's supposed to do. And dose means the concentration that should be given and how often. The stages of drug trials are preclinical phase 1. This is where drugs are tested on cells and tissues. And preclinical stage 2 was tested on animals. These test for toxicity, efficacy, and dose. If it passes these trials, it then goes to clinical trials phase 1. This is tested on healthy volunteers. These test for toxicity. If it passes this, it then goes to clinical phase 2. This is on a small sample of people suffering from the illness. We use this to test for dosage and efficacy. If it passes this, it then goes to clinical trials phase 3, which is a larger sample of people suffering from the illness. These test for dosage and efficacy. If it passes all of these stages, the results are then published in a peer-reviewed journal. This helps to prevent false claims. The trials on humans are done as double-blind trials. This means that 1, the patients don't know if they're getting the drug or a placebo, and 2, the doctors do not know whether the patient is getting the drug or a placebo. This is incredibly important, so the results are not down to bias. You have now learnt about how drugs are extracted and the stages they go through to test for new drugs. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our 10 minutes a day daily revision uploaded every day. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. We are super excited here on reviseitright.com about the launch of our brand new website. I just wanted to quickly take you through some of the amazing features on our site. Here you can make a profile just like you can on other social media websites, but this one is all about revision, the very first of its kind. You can write in questions here, for example, so can someone help me with the function of bile? You can post it and one of our tutors or another member of the community will get back to you. We're really excited about the revision community we can make here. If you go to the Learn part, here you can have access to text, videos, and quizzes from all the topics you will need in GCSE Science. You'll have access to all the summary videos that we have on YouTube, but also much longer videos that aren't available on YouTube that go into real detail on each topic. We will also have daily and weekly revision challenges for each biology, chemistry, and physics. New challenges each day. And this will link in with the leaderboard so you can compare how you're doing to how everyone else is doing. And really excitingly, you can also book extremely cheap group and private revision classes with one of our tutors. We'll be updating the website all the time, so head on over to reviseitright.com and sign up for a free account today.